can ride her.
You getting this?
Yeah.
What?
Good job.
What's your name again, Monday?
Yeah.
Oh, you're beautiful, baby. Yeah.
Don't.
Oh my God. Mom and Sarah. This is the best horse I've ever been on in my life. Just so you know.
What about this one?
That's a good horse too, but he's a little bit naughty. This is a really green horse.
Knock it off.
Beautiful baby. Whoa. Monday, whoa. Honey, you got this so you can show Mom?
Yeah, it's kind of dark, but you can see it.